Hi everyone, I am Pradeep from BigBodhi Academy. So today we are going to see new kit called Makerzoid for our juniors categories. So these are 6 plus age categories and it's going to be only operating using your any tabs and mobile phones also. So let's see what's the components going to see inside today. So I'm going to unbox now. So let's see what will the components. So the packing is very good for easily taking care of it. And as you see on the top of this we can see so many constructions, and you also have the QR code to download what's the app using mobile phones to do this one. See, it's very easy to operate and easy using only scratch program to only. So juniors is very easy to program wise. It's a real concept very easier. So in backside this they give the list of components, what are the components go inside packed inside with this there, and we see what's going next one. So next we're going to see what we got is manuals. The manuals, I think we have so many constructions. Based on that, how to do it one by one, and how can I use the each and every component one after another. Like, so very easy to understand for us. See, they give list step by step, and also they give step by step wise constructions of everything. See, so easy to understand, very easily for us to learn with children's who are 6 plus age categories, and have so many constructions like intelligent car, rabbit car, and we'll see about the coding part. See, it's not is like a normal coding like some typing and all. It's like a puzzle coding. That means scratch like coding. So it's very easy to students we can able to attach their like a puzzles manners, like cards as puzzles. So and the back side is they give them QR code to download the app in both iOS and normal Android systems. Let me see about this one. So they will give some packets. The number is from 1 to 6 packets. So from one packet we have some components like beams and structures. They easily pack of a gears separate. So easily identifying where is the gears can easily find it out. And like this also the connectors separate packages. Very easy to identify where the components. We know to search where is the component on all by all such place. Yeah, like this. They give connectors separate and axle separator. So easily identify the packet numbers with using the packet numbers. And see, these are the special, I think it's a special component to make some different constructions. So as we see, we some wheels like structures and like a 360 rotating like structures and all. And last but not least, we have the main structure. This is, I think, we are made for entire body faces structure. So using this, based on this only, we're going to build all the constructions. So we are eagerly waiting how the students handling going to use this construction and making different constructions like this T-axis. Yeah. So now we are going to unpack all the components in each packets and what are the components we are going to inside one after another. So we'll start with pack number 1. Okay. See, here also give a list of components in the sheets they will give. So you have to find out what are the components we're going to by unpacking each and every packets they given in the separate packets. So we'll start with the packet number 1. Okay. So we're going to move on the packet number 2. I think it's all axles and axle connectors. I think that is it. Yeah. Okay. Then we move to pack number 3. The gears are a little bigger, so you have to put a bigger gears. And next we go for the 4th one. See, this packet has some eyes and all structures. So we can, if we main construction, we can also fix eyes of the constructions and the birds like air like structures to BS like. So let's unpack it. So as a small component is very easy to keep in small piece. There are some bears, some eyelid structures, so many different components. And we next move on to the main structures. The beams. This is a very big packet compared to all. Why is it? Because I think this is in all construction this will be a major part. That's why you begin big packets. We can't put. So it's the bigger one. So go for the bigger tray of the. Even the bigger tray is not enough, so we put some tires and all, which is separate, but easy identifications. Tires, wheels. How small wheels are they given? Even for tires, same like a thin wheel for another tires. And this they also given connectors to separate basically. Students will fix it by in my mistake. They will feel hard to remove this. Other time you can use this tool like this. They can easily reference by pressing this one. So easy to handle also. So no need to hurt anyone. So students can even very long road students also can able to do this one. So give some tools for like this. And at last they have one more packet. Okay, these packets have some different structures. I think for rotating and for separate, like a bear-like structures and all. So we'll unpack this one too also. See, like this, you can able to connect this one. They just pull it, you will lock it, and also you can rotate any direction like our elbows. So students can able to make a small robot also like a humanoid robot. So I think we all unpack all the components. The only last one piece is the motor, and see there are too many packets left. And this corner they have one is the motor, and see in my right hand we have a motor. In motor, let me unpack this one now. It's very easy for attaching. So attach the motors. Can they give some bricks like structures on both sides? So you can easily attach this one. And they give two power buttons, one for on and off. Let me turn it on. And if you on it, man, you need battery. So see, you can see in a blue like structure. If you slide out, the battery holder will be over there. See here, two AAA battery holder to run this motor, and we will just close it. Yeah. So next one, we're going to see about sensors to connect whatever, like I think an IR sensors. And last but not least, they gave an separate packets for the tracks to make it some conveyor belts like structures. But we just keep the packet itself because very tiny pieces with very chance to miss it on. So whenever we for the constructions for based on tracks, at time we can open this one. Now we are going to see how the children can build it using these construction materials. For these tracks, there's one last one cover is called. I think it's looks like a rubber band structures, and it's like a thread on also. And actually this is a belt for the power transmissions. And you see the black where this one is a pulley like structure for the threads like used for crane like systems or pulling something you want. You can use this one. So let me keep it in packets because very tiny metals can easily miss this for any chance to miss. So we keep it again on all this. And motors, sensor, And last, we need to also use manual book also. And we put on top of it, we'll give all the components. See, it's perfectly fit on the top also. And now we're going to cover this using our instruction manual too also, to prevent this to not come out of this one. And we close it. So we can just give the unwanted covers and all. Now let's see. Now let's wait for the students who's going to lucky charm going through the first construction of this menu. Thank you from Team BigBodhi.